Hello everybody, my name is Amar Sarwar. Today I will show you how to make a traffic light and a pedestrian light blink. So first you will take your pouch in your Robotics kit and you will need your this. So you have to take out the windboard and then take out the pouch. Then you have to take 3 jumper wires for backup. Then you will have to take the LED pouch and take the specific color and these specific colors wires, LEDs. So one is blue, one is green. So the pedestrian light is the blue one. One is green, one is yellow, one is red. So that's the traffic light. Then any other light, then you can do any other light, but the only other light is blue, so your pedestrian light will be blue. Then you will take your red light and put it on here pins. The pin here, you will put it on pin 39. Then you will take this, you will take the pedestrian light and put it on pin 38. Then you will take the yellow light and put it after red light. Now you are again maybe thinking, why is this working without even I doing anything? Because last time I did this, it is doing the same thing which I did last time. So that's why. Then you will take the last one, green one, and put it on pin 41. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, now I have saved it. So I will show you. See, it will look like this. So you will take Arduino begin. I will repeat all of this to just show you. Arduino begin. Then you will go to Arduino begin is in the events. Then you will go to control and take forever. Then you also have to take this windboard proton and do it, and put the programming cable and all, as you can see. So then you have to connect from the plus sign the LED anode. It was written there. Then you will press the LED sign and take the LED on pin. So LED on pin 38. I put it in the same order I did last time. 38. Then LED on pin for time 39, and then write 5. Then you will do LED off pin 39. Then LED on pin for time, for LED on pin for 10, 3, and for this LED on pin 40, LED off pin 40, and then LED off pin 38, because that is the pedestrial light. Take this 38. Then LED on pin for time 41, and here you will write 5. Then LED off pin I did the wrong one. So now LED off pin, and then 41. Now I will delete all of these little dots. See, that's deleted. Now this I will press upload. Okay, it's already done. See, now I will show you. Pedestrian light, it will keep going. Then on the red light, this actually one function. So basically the red light has dead. It is dead now. See it now. So I think you guys get the point. Okay, so bye guys. Bye bye everybody.